Want to know how to convert Roman numerals into integer in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, we create a map that stores value like I is 1. So we would take I as a numerical character right here and we define it as 1 and V as 5 and so on. So after that is done, so we have defined it right here as you can see until M. So once that is done, we use a for loop. So we loop through the Roman string if a smaller value comes before a larger one, and then we subtract it. Otherwise, we just add it. So this logic handles cases like 4 and 9, that is ix and ip correctly. So as you can see, we have used this int total as 0 and pbase as 0 as well while using the for loop. So once everything is done, we return total and finally we print it. And that's it. Super simple and easy. So once you selected one right here, your Roman to integer should be successful and it should look something like this. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.